The electric automobile industry is rapidly evolving as a pivotal force in the transportation sector, offering a sustainable solution to combat climate change through the adoption of electric vehicles. With growing concerns about air pollution and fossil fuel dependence, the demand for EVs is surging globally, driving significant investment in battery technology and charging infrastructure development, paving the way for a cleaner and more environmentally friendly transportation future. As it is clearly known that transformative projects like these are significantly found in particularly North America, most especially the US, in the West, and some parts of Asia, the African continent is always underlooked. When it comes to the production of cars, global brands like Toyota, Mercedes, Honda, among others, have been known to dominate the market, which have always been overshadowing the few known brands from Africa. The African continent has long been seeing millions of cars imported from prominent foreign manufacturers, both new and used ones, declaring the continent as a major consumer and target market with almost few cars from within Africa. Ever since the world started to shift to electric vehicles, certain African countries have come out to show their willingness to be part of electric vehicles manufacturing hubs in order to compete with global giants like Tesla. Ever since President Ibrahim Troure rose into power, quite strong effort has been prevailing concerning relentless growth and development of Burkina Faso. Being known for seeing a problem and immediately look for a solution, President Ibrahim Troure doesn't want to be left out concerning recent technological advancements. Through working hand in hand with people of Burkina Faso, this recent achievement is showing the immense journey Burkina Faso has continued to take in order to be among the most vibrant countries, not only in Africa, but also the world at large. In this video, we are going to look at the new electric vehicles manufacturing facility in Burkina Faso, which has sent shockwaves to global brands. Just of recent, Burkina Faso came up with a groundbreaking project of its first 100% indigenous electric car brand, ITAOUA. The type of car manufactured from ITAOUA comes with impressive features, including a range of 330 kilometers, that is 205 miles after just a 30-minute charge, making it suitable for urban and rural environments. The company has a variety of models, such as the Native and Sahel, featuring advanced technologies like GPS navigation, Bluetooth, and solar charging. All these being made possible by Burkinabe engineers who are in charge of the design and manufacturing processes, this new development is expected to generate thousands of jobs in manufacturing, sales, maintenance, and renewable energy sectors, contributing to the country's profound economic growth and development. The facility, located in Ouga 2000, one of Burkina Faso's prime districts, Burkina Faso under President Ibrahim Troure, is continuously showcasing commitment to local innovation and sustainable development. Sources reveal that Africa's electric vehicle market is expected to reach $21.39 billion by 2027, rising by 10.2% annually. Africa's industrialization, including innovation, has been lagging for the past 4 decades, despite marginal improvements in product export concentration and diversification indices. With industrialization being concentrated mainly in South Africa and some countries in North Africa, other parts of the continent are still struggling to match with their counterparts. Leaders, for this case, President Ibrahim Troure, already saw this gap, hence an urgent need to rejuvenate their countries that have long been suffering with poor leadership. Even though Burkina Faso seems unfavored in terms of strategic location, resource abundance, and infrastructure development, President Ibrahim Troure is fighting hard to improve skilled labor force, a strong financial system, political stability, profound leadership, and aggressive pursuit of innovation and technology. Since the Industrial Revolution, industrialization, including innovation and technology, has stood for the rapid transformation of the manufacturing sector compared to other economic sectors. It lies at the heart of structural change and the accompanying economic growth and development. Industrialization has always been an important aspiration for Africa, due in part to the existence of the continent's young labor force, abundant natural resources, and rapidly expanding domestic markets. However, due to poor leadership full of corruption and greedy leaders, the continent has noticed little advancements. Leaders like President Ibrahim Troure want to change this narrative by putting industrialization on the pedestal to catch up with highly industrialized nations globally. With no doubt, the future of electric cars looks brighter as the world wants to go carbon-free. Adding to being environmentally friendly, electric cars have a number of benefits compared to fuel-powered counterparts. Firstly, EVs have fewer moving parts and don't need oil changes, so maintenance costs are lower. Secondly, electric vehicles reduce noise pollution because EVs are quieter than gas-powered cars. As the future of cars is expected to revolve around electric and autonomous or self-driving cars, companies like this ITAOUA of Burkina Faso are working tirelessly to ensure that these expectations are realized by 2030. Even though ITAOUA is likely to be challenged by infrastructure, high technology costs, technical obstacles, capital availability, among others, President Ibrahim Troure is not shifted by these challenges. As ITAOUA has managed to join the electric vehicles manufacturing environment, it is going to face stiff competition from global brands. BYD, a Chinese EV company that's a strong contender to Tesla, BYD has a cost-effective manufacturing strategy and has expanded into emerging markets. In the fourth quarter of 2024, BYD became the world's largest seller of pure electric cars. ITAOUA has to ensure it comes up with electric cars that can be able to provide similar desired values as those that global brands can offer.